Are you interested in making money with a YouTube channel where you don't show your face, but don't know how to start? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a faceless YouTube channel from scratch using only AI tools. That's right. Everything from writing scripts to voiceovers and even images and videos will be made by AI. But before we get started, let's look at something interesting. This channel has gotten millions of views by making short stories that get people motivated and inspired. Just look at these videos: 9 million views, 6.4 million views, and 5.2 million views. This channel is making $8,800 a month. You might be asking, is it too late to start a YouTube channel like this? Not at all. And this video was posted just a month ago and already has over $486 in views. Without further ado, let's get to it. First and foremost, you will need to create a fresh YouTube channel. Head over to YouTube, and log into your Google account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. If you haven't created a channel before, this is where you'll find the Create a Channel option. This brings us to our next step, deciding on our channel name. To brainstorm ideas, we'll be using ChatGPT. Given that our content will center around motivational short stories, we will ask ChatGPT to suggest 20 unique and catchy names for our motivational YouTube channel. As you can see, it's generated a list of 20 possible names. I'm particularly fond of Uplift Universe. At this point, we can also choose our YouTube channel handle. You have the option to upload your profile picture now, or you can do it later when we further customize the channel. After this, click on Create Channel. Our YouTube channel is now live. Here's what it looks like. Our next step is to customize our channel. You can either click on Customize Channel here or go to your profile picture, navigate to YouTube Studio, and you'll find the customization option on the side. Next, let's go to the branding section. This is where you can upload or modify your profile picture and even add your banner image. Helpful details and requirements for various image sizes are also provided here for your convenience. To design our profile picture, we'll be using Canva. Let's go to Canva, and in the search bar, type in YouTube logo and hit enter. You'll find a bunch of YouTube logo templates here. Feel free to browse through them and see if any fits your needs. Okay, initially I chose this one, but after scrolling down a bit, I decided to opt for another one. This one is more to my liking. It's simple and clean. For reference, our competitor's profile picture is just plain text on a black background. I'm going to change the element's color to white and the background to black. Next, I'll add our channel name to the canvas. After that, I'll make a few adjustments to the placement and size of the elements for a balanced and visually appealing design. Once you're satisfied with your profile picture, click on Share and then Download. There are other AI tools available for creating a profile picture as well, which I'll show you how to do when we get to creating the thumbnail and images for our video. Now let's proceed to design our channel banner, also using Canva. Simply search for YouTube banner and select the template that appeals to you the most. I'm going to go with this one. We'll need some catchy text for our banner. To get that, we'll turn to ChatGPT once again and request it to generate 10 YouTube banner text ideas suitable for a motivational channel. There are several options. I decided to go with this one, so I'll copy it. Now, back to Canva, where I'll paste the chosen text. I will delete any unnecessary text. I will also change the font and adjust its size, and there we have it. Our banner is ready to download. Let's hop back to YouTube Studio to upload our freshly designed profile picture and banner. Click Upload and select our profile picture, then click Done. For the banner image, follow a similar process. Select Upload, choose our banner image, then click Done and Publish. Now let's see our new channel. We can see our profile picture and banner have been added. With that, our channel branding is complete. Next, we need a motivational short story for our video. To generate this, we'll be turning to ChatGPT once again. Given the popularity of Zen teachings in the realm of motivational content, I'll use a prompt requesting short story ideas with Zen teachings as their core themes. These stories should be applicable to our daily lives. As you can see, ChatGPT responds by providing a range of story ideas. The lesson of the overflowing cup. This story is about an overworked executive who learns to find contentment by letting go of material desires and embracing simplicity. I find this story idea intriguing, and it provides a good starting point for us. Now, with this idea in mind, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story based on it. Once ChatGPT completes the story, all we need to do is copy it. Now that we have our short story, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. For this purpose, we're going to use Murf.ai. First things first, type Murf.ai into your Google search bar. If you're new to this, just follow the sign-up process. If you've already registered, click on the Login button and proceed to the Open Studio option. Next, click on Create Project. Let's name our project, then choose Audio and Start Blank, and click Create Project. You'll be taken to a new page. On this page, you'll find a variety of voice options that Murf provides. You'll find a range of languages and accents, including various English dialects such as US, Canada, UK, Australia, and more. You can also filter the voices by gender and age. To create the voiceover, you just need to paste your script into the given field and click Generate Audio. Once the audio creation process is complete, you can play it back to check if it meets your expectations. As Richard walked into the humble abode of the Zen master, he was struck by the stark contrast between the master's simple dwelling and his own luxurious penthouse. If you're satisfied with the result, click Export, locate it in the top right corner, then click Download to store your file. Next, we need to generate some images to serve as visuals for our story. For this, we'll use Leonardo.ai, a free to use text to image generator. If you're new to Leonardo, just follow the sign-up process. If you've already registered, you'll be greeted by the Leonardo interface like this. In the upper left corner, you'll see something called tokens. These tokens are used to generate your images. In the free tier, users get 150 tokens per day, which should be more than sufficient for our purposes. To create an image, click AI Image Generation. Write a detailed description of how you want your image to look. You can use ChatGPT to write this description. Here's the prompt I typically use. After ChatGPT provides a description, copy and paste it here. You can specify the number of images and their dimensions that you want Leonardo to generate, then click Generate. You can enhance the resolution of your image by using the upscaling feature right here. This will cost you 5 tokens. When your images are prepared and you're satisfied with the results, simply click on Download Image. With our visuals in hand, we can now move on to creating the video. For this, we'll use CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editor. If you haven't yet signed up for CapCut, visit the website and sign up using your Google, TikTok, or Facebook account, or any other email address. Once signed in, click on Create New Video and upload the voiceover we created with Murf and the images from Leonardo. Now it's time to assemble our video. Drag and drop the voiceover in the timeline, followed by our images. To add a dynamic element to your video, you can animate your images using the tools provided right here. For increasing viewer engagement, we will add captions to the video. Go to the Captions section, choose the Auto Captions option, and click Create. Select the language of your video, then click Generate. CapCut will then begin generating auto captions. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the length of your video. Once the auto captions are generated, you can edit them as needed. You can change the text font, size, and color of the captions. A well-chosen background track can elevate your video to new heights. YouTube Audio Library is a great place to find free music for your videos. Start by going to YouTube Studio and selecting Audio Library from the left menu. This library offers an extensive collection of free-to-use music. You can search for specific genres, moods, or artists, or simply browse through the library. When you've found a track that suits your video, hit the play button to preview it. If you're happy with your choice, click the download icon next to the track to save it to your device. Once downloaded, head back to CapCut. Just like we did with the voiceover, upload your soundtrack and drag it into the timeline. You can adjust the soundtrack's volume by selecting it in the timeline and using the volume control. When you're satisfied with your video, it's time to save it. Click Export in the top right corner, name your file, select the desired resolution, and then click Export again and click Download to save your file. It will show up right here. Now that our video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Start by going to YouTube Studio, click Upload Videos, and then click Select Files. A catchy title and a compelling video description are crucial. For these, we can once again turn to ChatGPT, ask it to generate 10 intriguing titles that will grab your audience's attention. Let's go with this one. Next, ask ChatGPT to craft a compelling video description. After it's done, simply copy the title and video description, then return to YouTube Studio and paste them into the respective fields. We've made significant progress, but we still need to create a key component, the thumbnail. First, let's use ChatGPT to write a prompt for generating an image in Leonardo.ai and an engaging title for the thumbnail. Once the prompt is complete, go to Leonardo, paste it there, and generate our image. The image is done. Next, we head to Canva.com and search for YouTube thumbnail, then click Create Blank. Now look for the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen, click on it, hit Upload Files, and import the image created with Leonardo. Simply drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now it's time to add the thumbnail title. Go to the Text tab and click on Add a Text Box, and go back to ChatGPT, copy the preferred thumbnail title, and paste it onto your thumbnail. Feel free to adjust the font, style, size, and color to complement your video. Once the thumbnail is ready, it's time to save it. Click on the Share button and select Download to save it onto your device. To YouTube Studio and upload the thumbnail, click Next and select this option. Click Next, click Next. In the Visibility tab, select Public and then click on Publish. Our video is now live. Now let's take a look at the final video. A's Richard walked into the humble abode of the Zen master. He was struck by the stark contrast between the master's simple dwelling and his own luxurious penthouse. The master, an old man with a serene smile, welcomed him warmly. "I've heard you can provide solutions to life's troubles," Richard said. "I am successful, yet I am not at peace. I need a quick fix for my stress." The Zen master nodded, gesturing for Richard to sit before a small wooden table. "First, let's have some tea," he suggested. The end result is quite impressive. You now have all the knowledge you need to create faceless YouTube videos using AI and monetize your channel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.